he's someone that I need in my life. Are you single? Just joking, bro.
That's right.
You again.
This is a very nice spot to do the dishes. Probably the best I've seen in my life. Good afternoon, people. Kaise ho? I'm with my new mate
Chirag.
from Delhi, Chirag. We just had a quick chat. He's a filmmaker, so he's someone that I need in my life. Are you single? Just joking, bro.
That's right.
Because I was telling him, like, I've been only making videos for like 6 months or something, so I'm a bit of a rookie. And you know, Premiere Pro, when you start, it's not too easy, so you
got scared when you see that interface at the beginning.
Man, you have no idea. I freaked out. I was just fumbling around, and you know, the more you do it, the more you learn. And
yes, every day you learn. You keep learning while you're doing that on daily basis.
Yeah.
That's right.
So you had a good time here in Manali?
Well, Manali is my second home.
Second home. It seems like it's a lot of. It's the case for a lot of people.
Yes.
I met actually a lot of people here from either Mumbai or like big cities.
Yes.
And it's like a nice escape.
We enjoy.
Nice getaway.
Like, not for the escape. We usually came here to realize like what we really exist in our life.
Exactly. Exactly.
That's the point.
And the surrounding is, you know, very appropriate. You know, you look at the mountains, it makes you think.
The mountain are just amazing.
Exactly. So it was a pleasure meeting you, brother.
Same.
Have a good way back to
You too.
to Delhi, my friend.
Yes, all the best for your rides.
For me, I'll go for a ride. I'm going to a small village. Maybe you heard of it? It's called Majach. Majach?
No, I haven't heard of it.
It's a small village, apparently, like half an hour north. Majach.
Majach. Okay,
Yeah.
it's nearby Nagar. Yes, it's
Yes.
nearby. Yes, I've heard of it. Like, I've been there, but I haven't. Like,
So we'll go and check it out for you, bro.
Yeah, sure.
I'll give you some feedback for
Sure.
next time.
sure.
When are you coming back next?
After 4 days.
After 4 days. So you're just going to Delhi for 4 days.
Yes, I got some work and client projects that I need to finish.
Okay, and then you come back here.
I'll come back and stay.
Okay, so I might see you. I start my Spiti Valley tour in a couple of days, so maybe when I come back, you'll still be around.
Yeah, sure.
Okay?
See you.
Take care, my brother. All the best. Okay, let's do it, lads. So it's weekend, so it's quite busy, as you can see. There's a lot of people coming and leaving. Yeah, take it easy, bro. No rush. Why are people such in a hurry? It's weekend, chill, man. It's not because you're going 10 kilometers faster you're gonna make your life better, is it? Hey, Monty! How you doing, brother? Where are you going? Just roaming around?
Yeah, having my time.
Nice.
Where are you going?
I'm going towards the village.
Which village?
The one you told me to go. Yes. Hell. It's up, eh? Yeah. I know. I looked up the map already. Okay. See you later, brother. Bye bye. Monty. He's the guy who runs the guest house I'm staying in. He's a lovely dude. Oh, look at that. Woo. Okay, let's get going, guys. Let's do it. So I've reached a bridge. And apparently cars are just taking it easy. It seems very stable, but so you see that shop there, English wine. That's what I was talking about last time when I was saying you guys should not advertise English wine as good wine. To be honest, I don't even know if they make any. I don't think they have the proper weather for it. But even if they do, I don't think it would be this good. They should probably advertise Italian or French instead of English wine. It just sounds so weird. English wine. It's like I say a beer from Dubai or something. You know, it just doesn't make sense, does it? Damn, I really need to buy a new a phone holder, because anytime there's an intersection I pretty much need to pull my phone out. This is so annoying. I'm pretty sure I can find one in Manali. I'll have to go and find one. Let's do it. So yeah, the village I'm going to, guys, it's called Majach. Majach, and it's been recommended by a local. So let's see. Sorry, doggy. Oh, poor doggy, seems a little injured. Look at that, how cute. Little bridges. Wow, looks like a perfect spot for a quick picture. Oh wow, wow. What do you think, guys? Oh yeah, that's gonna be a nice click. Beautiful. Okay, so we can see, oh sorry lady, we can see the village right here. You see, guys? Sorry, I'm a little bit struggling with the bike and the road is not the best. Hello. Okay guys, so just made it to the village. Just parked the bike here because I can't go any further. The road stops here. So let's go. Let's explore the small village of Majach. Let's do it, guys. Let's do it. Kaise ho? Kaise ho? Hello. Varia, Varia. Oh, that's cool. Wow, look at that roof. Wow, that's old school. That's old school. Wow, this is chill. This is the definition of chill. Oh, that's cool. कैसे हो?
बस अच्छे।
बढ़िया बढ़िया।
बढ़िया बढ़िया। आप सुनाओ।
आप सुनाओ?
हाँ, मतलब कि
आप सुनाओ?
You speak
नहीं समझ में आया।
अच्छा, नहीं समझ में।
Yeah, हिंदी
New
थोड़ा
generation।
थोड़ा। हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा।
थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी।
Yeah.
हमारा भी इंग्लिश थोड़ा थोड़ा।
Yeah, English थोड़ा थोड़ा, हिंदी थोड़ा थोड़ा. It's good.
थोड़ा थोड़ा।
Same.
Good। नहीं दूर से।
नहीं. No problem. आपका नाम क्या है?
सीता।
सीता. Okay. से मिलके अच्छा लगा सीता.
अच्छा, हमें भी
Okay.
अच्छा लगा।
फिर मिलेंगे.
फिर भी।
Uh,
खाना नहीं मिलेगा, रेस्टोरेंट।
restaurant this way. Take care. Thank you so much. Bye bye. That was funny. I need to improve. The thing is, I don't know what to learn, guys. Like it's I don't remember how I learned English. Like I don't remember the steps. I feel like it's gonna take me forever. Anyway, oh my God, look at that, guys. I hope the camera can pick it up. It's beautiful snowy summit. Yeah, I really need to learn more because I need to be able to communicate more with the locals. Oh wow, that's cool. I'm so impressed by the roof. Like this is so old school roof. It's just like stone, really. Can you say ho? Yeah, it's crazy. I suppose it's good for the insulation, but I'm not sure if it's really waterproof. I suppose they have some other stuff underneath. Oh, they have a cow here. Kaise ho?
अच्छे हो, बढ़िया।
Maria. Beautiful. Oh wow, look at that. Lots of flowers as well. Oh, there's a cool temple there. Let's go and check it out. It's really the same architecture. You see, it's the same architecture as the one in Malana. And I forgot the other village. But it's the same, really. It's very nice. Kaise ho? Hello. Oh, little one. Bahut Sonder. Oh. Girl? Girl? Boy nahi.
Boy।
Boy. ठीक है.
Chota.
Chota, chota. Chota. Oh, it's very cute. Smiling. Very good. आपसे मिलके अच्छा लगा. So I think they said I can approach it but not go inside. Hello ladies. Kaise ho? Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, so it's the same, that's what I was telling you. The same that in what was the place I was a couple of days ago? Pulga? Yeah, Pulga village. Hello! That's good. Oh wow, the view is wonderful there. But yeah. Anyway, yeah, so same design. I don't even know if it's I don't think it's Hindi temple. I don't know, to be honest. I should learn those stuff. But from what I see, oh yeah, I think this is Hindi temple.
Mandir.
Mandi.
Mandir.
Yeah, mandir. Mandir means temple. Yes. Yeah, mandir. This I know.
Yeah.
But Hindi mandir.
Yeah.
Hindi.
No, Jagdambi.
No Hindi. Fuck. Hindu.
Yeah, Hindu. Man.
Hindu mandir.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Danieva.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh my god, this was so awkward. Oh yeah, I'm so bored. Instead of saying Hindu, I say Hindi. What's wrong with you, Frenchy? Oh my god, get your shit together. It's only ladies around here. It's good. It's good. I mean, it's good. I'm not looking for anyone, but it's nice. Look at that view. They really have the best view. Wow. Call heaven. It is. It's unbelievable the view you have from here. Even the houses. This is nice. Very nice. You are very lucky.
Yeah.
Understand? Yeah. Sorry, Hindi Tora. Mera Hindi bekar hai.
हमारा English बेकार.
Tumara English. Mera Hindi. Same.
Yeah.
Exactly. Same. Hello. Your daughter?
No.
Your daughter? Good job.
Daughter, son.
Hello. Oh, very happy. How do you happy in Hindi?
Khush.
Kush.
Yeah.
Bahut kush.
हाँ.
Very cute. It's your son? No. Not your son. Okay.
brother's son.
It's nobody's children. No. Hello. Kaise ho? Finally one man. First man I see in the village. Only one man?
No.
Hat. Bahut achi hai. Hat. Yeah. Yes. Traditional hat. Name of the hat? Kulvi topi. Okay, you heard that, guys. Kulvi topi hat. This is so cool, guys. Look at that. I'm not a big fan of doing the dishes. Kaise ho? This is a very nice spot to do the dishes. Probably the best I've seen in my life. बहुत सुंदर. Problem?
डॉक्टर के पास जाएगा है.
You problem?
Money. No money much.
You don't have money. You need money.
हाँ. Money no money.
Money nahi.
गरीब है ना.
Money nahi. ठीक है. I think he's asking me for some money. I just got some cash. I don't know if I should give him something or not. Maybe 500 would help him. I don't know. I never know what to do. Oh, look at that. Marijuana. This is weed. Gurdwa. Bulwa. Yes, charas. Yeah, charas. Yes. So they do harvest some weed as well here and make some charas. Charas, eh? You make, yeah.
अभी कच्ची है ना फिर होएगा.
Yeah, they just rub it between their hand. I think they just rub the leaves or something and just anyway, like in Malana. Bye bye. Diana Rakna. Diana, I'm trying to say take care. I don't know how to say. I think it's Diana Rakna. Diana Rakna? Hell. Do you guys even understand what I'm trying to say? Okay, ladies. Firmilige.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Daniel. See you, darling.
Bye.
Bye bye.
We'll see you again.
So happy, eh? Oh, oh, oh. Oh. Okay. Baby, kitne? 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 How much I buy? It's a joke, it's a joke. I'm gonna buy a Hindi baby, an Indian baby. He wants to come with me.
Yeah.
Oh, so cute. Okay, thank you so much.
Okay.
Daniel, take care. Bye bye. Bye bye. Thank you. Yeah, I make some funny jokes, guys. I make some very strange, weird jokes. Borderline. I love them. I love the borderline jokes. Can I buy your kid? How much for your kid? I don't think they understood though, which is probably good. You never know how people can react to those silly jokes. Okay, guys. I wish there was like a little bit of a place for me to try some food, but can't see any. Let's see. I might be able to find a. Be good to try. I don't know. Maybe they have some special food. Let's see.
Mike.
Okay.
Okay.
Majach
Majach.
restaurant. Anji.
आगे जाना
ठीक है.
रास्ते के ऊपर से.
Okay. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Okay, so you heard the lady. There seems to be a restaurant in the village. Wow, they have the same as in Malana. You see, they have huge wood reserve. Hello. So funny, you see. So the rest. Oh my God! I almost fell. Oh Jesus Christ! The restaurant there was dog, and I was approaching. It started to bark, so I was like, "Oh, is it good for me to go?" And then someone came past and said something that now I know. Koi bot nahi. No worries, you can go. Koi bot nahi. See, not one, not two, but 3 dogs to welcome me. Oh no! Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
Koi bot nahi.
Yeah, the dog is so small you don't bite.
Ah, yeah. No problem. Wow, what a view from here.
Yeah.
Very nice place. Very nice place. Wow, unbelievable. How are you, sir?
Fine today.
Nice to meet you.
But everybody is done.
Yeah?
All the people are done, yeah.
Okay.
Family is
So there is no one here?
no,
Only you?
only me.
And you are not the owner?
No.
You're just a guest?
Well, I'm not a guest. I'm living here with...
Okay. So no food?
Helaas, no.
No food.
I can make noodles for you, but
No, it's okay. Don't bother, sir.
no.
That will be fine. I'm just going to enjoy the view for a couple of minutes
Yeah, you can do.
and go back down.
Where you stay, in Old Manali?
In Old Manali, yes, exactly.
Busy
Yeah.
there now, eh?
I just crossed Manali downtown. It was so busy.
Yeah.
Wow, it's insane, especially on weekends, you know?
Yeah, it's starting now. Yeah.
Yeah.
When the summer is starting, then you'd have it every day.
Yes. Where are you from, sir?
Me Dutch.
You Dutch, yeah?
And you English?
No, I'm from France.
Oh.
And yeah, I kind of guessed you were Dutch. Not
Yeah.
from your accent, but more from your
Yeah.
physics. Actually, you look Dutch. I did walk to the village and I met some very nice local people.
Oh yeah, they all...
Very welcoming, very smiley.
Yeah.
My Hindi is very limited,
Yeah.
so we had a limited conversation. But that's enough, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes smiling is all you need.
Even here they speak a dialect. So
Oh, they speak a different. Okay.
Yeah, they speak Hindi because the school teach them Hindi.
Yes,
The
but
internal-
between them they speak their
Yeah.
dialect. Take care. What's your name, sir?
Karel.
Karel.
Yeah.
Karel from the Netherlands. I'm making videos.
Okay.
Karel. Where in the Netherlands are you from?
Rotterdam.
Rotterdam.
Yeah.
It's a big port.
The port is big. The city
Yeah.
is not so big.
Okay.
Yeah, Paris is beautiful. Huh?
Yeah, it is a nice place, but so is Amsterdam.
No, it's not Amsterdam. People like Amsterdam, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah. But if you live in Rotterdam, you cannot love Amsterdam. I'm sorry.
Okay. Well, that's another reason.
Yeah.
That's
Dutch people from Rotterdam said the nicest thing in Amsterdam is the last train back to Rotterdam.
that's a good one.
But you can enjoy
The
it
last
though.
train back to
Yeah,
Rotterdam.
but you can enjoy the.
But it's funny you say that because same in France, there's a bit of people don't really like the Parisian, the people from Paris. So
Yeah.
it's
Arrogant.
very similar. And I think it's also the same here. Like
Yeah.
people from Delhi are
Bombay.
are
Calcutta.
frown upon.
You can see it when they play cricket.
Yes.
Then
Oh
you see
yeah.
the
Big
affinity.
rivalry. Yeah.
Yeah.
When of course with the cricket.
Same you have in Holland, Amsterdam.
Yes.
Ajax.
Yes.
Rotterdam,
Ajax.
Feyenoord.
Rotterdam, Feyenoord.
Yeah.
Yeah. So the restaurant is closed. Unfortunately, the owner are on weekend maybe, or
No, today you go. They met friends, sign all the place.
I see. But they have a very well located restaurants. Maybe another time I'll come back. So this is it for today, guys. Hope you enjoyed the ride from Manali and then the night's walk in the village. I had a good chat with the locals. It's a very nice village, actually, very welcoming, as you saw. Yeah, hope you enjoyed it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and thanks for the support again.